Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain about how to download and install Google Chrome on Mac. Before we begin, have a working internet connection. For this, I'll explain the step-by-step process on how to install Google Chrome on a Mac. Please keep watching this video. For this, we will use the built-in Safari browser on your Mac to download and install the Google Chrome. For the first step is open the Safari from your dock. After that, in the address bar at the top, type Google Chrome browser, then press return. Select download Chrome. Carefully read the terms of service, then select accept and install. Select downloads, then select Google Chrome.dmg from the list. Drag Google Chrome to application shortcut. Once Chrome has finished copying, drag the mounted installer disk image for Chrome from your desktop to the trash to unmount it. You do not need the installer now that Chrome is installed.